Okay, guy. Let me just load my TV down. Okay.
Alright.
I love my new condo. So exciting. So me.
Okay. So loud.
These are not you.
Okay. We have some breaking news that Hurricane Maria might go into New Jersey. When now is September 25th, 2017. Maria is going to have in New Jersey, but it said that on Wednesday it'd be like that, and until Thursday. So we don't know what's going to happen to hurricane economy. I mean, tomorrow's Tuesday, and Wednesday, then Thursday, so it's going to be like 3 days hurricane come. Right now, I'm checking the map. There's hurricane. I mean, it's like that because right now it's gonna be like tropical storm that come to New Jersey. And from that, I watch Weather Underground. So I'm checking the storm that's gonna happen. Right now, hurricane happened in the capital of Puerto Rico, San Juan. This is a storm happened. Where's Maria happened? Right now, Maria's happened. Cape Hatteras. We don't know yet, but look at that. Puerto Rico is fine, but for Maria, it happened from July 24, 2017, and it gonna flood it on September 24, and it was that Puerto Rico surrounded by water. How does the people understand what the hell the Puerto Rico is going to be? Just Fox News. Second Irma. Noah. Right now, the hurricane is going to happen right now. So, according to the news, hurricanes they're going to start right now on Monday, but until Wednesday, it might get a yellow zone. Then it's going to straight all the way on the rear, by passing of Canada. This is a red flag. If you want to visit, this is the red flag for the hurricane Maria. This is a storm going to happen. Right now, it's happening at hurricane, and it's going to be at tropical storm, and it's going to be done all the way here. So on Saturday, it's going to be worse. So Saturday's going to be nothing. We don't know what the next hurricane is going to be, so we check the next hurricane. What is the next hurricane? I'm gonna check. This is the hurricane name for 13. This is a hurricane. This is I need to check the Atlantic. This is I live by Atlantic Ocean. So this is the first start on April 1930. Right now, Katia, Jose, Irma, Maria, we find out this is gonna be a strange name. This is the worst gonna happen. This is gonna be the pretty worst name. Right now it's gonna be Hurricane Nate. After Nate, it's gonna be Hurricane. Let me just check the video.